Hi guys, remember when I taught you how to make this spray? That was video part 1. Now I'll tell you how to upgrade it. First you take out its bottom part. Then once you do that, you're gonna need this. Once you have that, put something like this on. Then we're gonna need another of that, which is in bottle here, okay? And put it here. Now we're gonna need 2 of these, but the ones that have holes in them. Then we put it on. Okay, now we did it. Then we're gonna need 2 of these. And then stick it on the hole. We're gonna do this same on the other side. It's gonna look like this. Once we do that, we're gonna stick it on. So it's then gonna look like this. I didn't stick it on, but it's gonna look like this. And get it on tight. So once you do that, we're gonna put the bottom part back on. And then I call these Pika blades for some reason. But if you do this, if you attach the Pika blades on, it can't spin on a whipper. You could only do hand spin. But once you do hand spin, it spins so fast. So you're gonna, I did one over here. Do you see this hole over here? You're gonna put the same over here. It's gonna be covering the hole. And then the last part is you're gonna need this and this. And then put it on the side, like that. Then the same on the other side. Okay, that's how you upgrade your Beyblade. And if you want, you could put more upgrades on it. And also, you could take the armor off. With the armor, you have more attack. And without the armor, you have more stamina. So, if you have the armor on, this is how it looks like. And if you don't have the armor on, this is how it looks like. So if you want the armor on, you just put it on. So that's how you make it. Bye.